Mastering Report Writing, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of report writing. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English writing styles, this video is for you. We'll explore what report writing is, its structure, and some tips to make your report stand out. So, let's get started. Report writing is a crucial skill in both academic and professional settings. It involves presenting information in a structured format, typically used to communicate findings, results, or recommendations. The key features of a report are its formal style, clear structure, and focus on facts. Unlike essays or stories, reports are direct, to the point, and often used for decision-making. A well-structured report is easy to read and understand. Let's break down the typical sections. 1. Title page. Contains the title of your report, your name, and the date. 2. Abstract or executive summary. A brief overview of the report's content. 3. Table of contents. Lists the headings and subheadings with page numbers. 4. Introduction. Introduces the topic, purpose, and scope of the report. 5. Body. The main part, divided into sections and subsections, presenting the information or findings. 6. Conclusion. Summarizes the key points and, if necessary, includes recommendations. 7. References. Lists the sources used in the report. 8. Appendices. Includes additional materials like charts, graphs, or detailed data. To make your report stand out, follow these tips. Be clear and concise, use simple language and get straight to the point. Organize your information. Logical flow is crucial for readability. Use visuals. Graphs, charts, and tables can illustrate your points more effectively. Proofread. Check for grammatical errors and ensure clarity in your writing. Tailor your report. Consider your audience and what they need to know. That's all on report writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start by writing simple reports and gradually tackle more complex ones. We hope this video helps you in your English writing journey. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy writing!